Hello Uke Club. This week we're going to have a look at a song by one of my favourite musicians. He's called Sting. He was an English teacher and a football teacher at a girls' convent school before he got famous with a band called The Police and then went off on his own as a solo artist. And we're going to do his song Fields of Gold, which you may know in the version by Eva Cassidy or by Katie Melhua, who did it for Children in Need in 2017. She did it in the key of A. We're going to do it in the key of G because it's really easy. I'm going to show you. We've got 6 chords. I've written 2 of them out twice. You'll see why in a minute. And we're going to do a new thing. We're going to be strumming across with our thumb. I'll get closer so you can just see this. The first chord is E minor and it goes like this. We'll get the ukuleles in tune first. And then we're going to put down our fingers on the E minor chord and we're going to strum it like this. Then we keep the first finger where it is and lift the other 2 off. That's C with a major 7th, and then we go to C, the normal C, and then we put down a bar chord. We haven't done any bar chords before, but they're really easy. All we do is we play a C, and then we put down 1 finger on the frets behind them, and then we go to the chord of G. So, and then there will be 1 more chord in the middle, but we'll forget about that for the time being. That's a very easy chord as well. So we can start with the E minor chord, C major 7, then C, D7, G. And did you see I went back to the note beforehand? And we start again. You remember me. And that's how it starts. Now, in the middle, in the bridge, there's 1 chord which can be played in different ways. It's a C9 here, or a C major 9. We can explain those later, but don't worry about that for now. But the simplest way to play it is to play the 5th fret. And you can see I've marked a red dot just here. There's a little dot on most of your fingerboards. The very first dot is usually the 5th fret. Some of them have 1 on the 3rd fret, but we're going to assume yours has just the 5th fret, and we're going to play C9 as a strum. And this note is the 9th note of the scale. So if this is a C, that's the 8th note, and then we add 1 more note to it, it's the 9th note. And that is the melody. I never made promises lightly. Oops. There we go. And that's the C9. So I'll then do a separate video to play you through the whole tune. I hope that gives you an idea of how simple it is.